Ready to say goodbye to Trello? This guide will walk you through permanently deleting your account, so let's get started. First, log into your Trello account on your computer. Since you can't permanently delete your account on the mobile app, navigate to your profile by clicking on your avatar in the top right corner of the screen, then select Profile and Visibility from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page, you'll find a small but important link, Delete Account. Click on it. Take a moment here, because this is where you'll make a decision. A new page will load explaining the consequences of deleting your account. It's crucial to understand that this action is permanent. All your boards, lists, and cards will be gone forever. If you're absolutely sure you want to proceed, tick the box that confirms that you understand you will no longer have access to your account. After you check the box, a bright red button labeled Permanently Delete Account will appear. Click this button to finalize the deletion process. Trello will ask you to re-enter your password. As a final security measure, type your password into the provided field and click the delete button. And that's it. Your Trello account is now permanently deleted. You'll likely be redirected to the Trello homepage or a confirmation page. Remember, this action cannot be undone. Thanks for watching.